It is 4:10 in the morning. I did not sleep last night. That was my rabbit. But I'm about to leave to head to the airport. So let's go. I made it to San Diego! Here's my passenger princess. Benny! She's looking the wrong way. At the palm trees. It's 9:30 now, and I kind of forgot to film, but didn't really do that much today. Worked on some like email kind of stuff, but tomorrow is the 4th of July. So there's gonna be some fun stuff. There's a parade, fireworks, and all that kind of stuff. So it should be fun, but I am gonna take a shower and go to bed because I'm very tired. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Here is my 4th of July outfit. Kind of got some red and blue in there. Okay, let's go. It's bright outside. Great.
Okay, yeah, there's.
Okay, it's a lot later now. They're not open. It's a lot later now. I took a 3-hour nap, and now we're going walking to dinner. But we don't know how long it's gonna take because it's really busy everywhere. Okay, we finished dinner. What do you rate it?
I'd rate it a -5 out of 10.
-5. Mine wasn't bad, but I just got a regular pizza. Not I ate the whole thing. But yeah, we're not going back there ever again. I really want a golden doodle so badly. It's so cute. I'm a bit pink. That pretty much wraps up the 4th of July, and I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early because we have a meeting with Y1, so that should be fun. Good night. We're at the warehouse and we're putting together the showroom. We haven't made a lot of progress yet, but it'll look good at the end. And eating lunch at Panera. Let me show you what I got. I got a grilled cheese, strawberry banana smoothie, and some chips. we just got back from dinner. It was pretty good. I got some pasta, and then I got a nice little ice cream sandwich on the way home for dessert. But I'm pretty much just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I don't really know what we're doing tomorrow, but yeah, that's pretty much all for today. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Happy Saturday. We're driving to the warehouse, but I need food. This is our nice, beautiful view. Okay, we're at the warehouse. Why am I blurry? Okay, we're at the warehouse and I'm just going through some emails, and then I made this application as well as sent out an email, and I'm also eating lunch. Okay, we're about to go to dinner. This is what I'm wearing. Just pretty simple. Black little shirt and white shorts and flip-flops.
Yeah, I had it last night. Oh yeah, all good.
Well, I'm about to go to bed, but that pretty much wraps up Saturday. I don't really know what we're doing tomorrow, but I'm sure that I'll vlog it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Happy Sunday! I have a dog. Benny. We're at the warehouse again, finishing up the showroom. We're almost done, but it's looking really good, so yay for that. And then if we have time, we're gonna film some content today, but we might have to wait until Wednesday to do that, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'll check in later.
And the water, like, we still, you know, the middle of that.
We just finished dinner. It was really good. Now we're going home, going to bed, so I can work tomorrow. Goodbye. Happy Monday. So I'm at the warehouse and I'm filming some content. I'm about to film some shoe stuff. So I have all of our models of shoes here, a tripod. And then later I'm gonna film some stuff about our sticks. So that is kind of the plan for right now. But I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, it's a lot later now, but basically I just filmed a bunch of content videos. But we're about to leave and go get a snack. And then I don't know what else. So I'll update you later. I've grown a British accent. Okay, so just got back from dinner. Forgot to take my camera, but nothing exciting happened anyways. But I'm back now, and I'm gonna go shower and get ready for bed because tomorrow is Disneyland. So excited. I've never been to Disneyland. I've been to Disney World in Florida, but not to Disneyland. I know it's not as like exciting because it's smaller and there's only like 2 parks, but I'm still just so excited to go. That pretty much wraps up my Monday, but I'm so excited for Disney. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take my camera or not to like vlog on, because I kind of want to, but I also don't want to like lose it or break it, so I might just film on my phone, but I don't know. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you.
Black Legion, we're picking up an Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
The prisoners have escaped.
I'm brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's no way up to...
The brakes may be needing a little adjustment. Easy on the curves.
You have chosen paths. This path leads to timeless youth and
Max Barry, where I'll be sending you to Davy Joe.
dentro del tobogán. Y sus pies y piernas dentro del tobogán.
Good morning. It is Wednesday. I am pretty tired. It's like 8 in the morning, but I just packed all of my stuff up. We're headed to LA for some documentary thing this morning, but I have my flight this evening, like tonight. I think it's at like 6:40 or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna bring my stuff with me. Here's my new friend, which makes a great sleeping pillow. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll update you later. Okay, we're in the car on the way to the airport so I can go home.
Just finished the premiere in LA.
We just went to the film festival thing in LA. It was kind of long, but it was good.
Some legends.
Yes, but I'm gonna end my video here because I'm gonna try to sleep
Again.
on my flights because I'm very tired.
Because you've only had 2 hours sleep in the car on the way down here.
Yes, I only got a 2-hour nap in the car. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.